Imagine a world where every bite takes you on a journey. A world that exists right here at the Taco Tasting Extravaganza in Dallas. This is not just a food event, it's an Epicurean escapade where a myriad of flavors await to tease your palate. From the spicy kick of jalapenos to the tangy zest of fresh lime, every taco holds a delicious secret. It's an adventure in every bite, a surprise tucked in each tortilla. So buckle up, foodies, as we embark on this Texan culinary journey. As we dive into the heart of the extravaganza, each taco stand is a new destination, each taco, a story of its own. Our taste buds are about to embark on a journey as diverse as the Lone Star State itself. Here in Dallas, the Taco Tasting Extravaganza offers a symphony of flavors that are as vibrant as the city's culture. The tacos here are not just food, but a tapestry of tales spun from the culinary traditions of Texas. Imagine the fiery kick of jalapenos, a flavor that dances on your tongue, hinting at the spicy soul of the South. Now, layer it with the tangy zest of lime, a citrusy note that infuses the palate with freshness, evoking the lively spirit of Texas. But what's a taco without its heart? The slow-cooked meats steeped in rich, smoky sauces that speak of long-held family recipes and quiet afternoons spent by the grill, the soft, melt-in-your-mouth barbacoa, the robust chorizo, the tender carnitas. Every bite is a flavorful testament to the time-honored traditions of Texan cooking. Then comes the crowning glory, the cilantro. Its vibrant freshness brings a burst of color to the sensory canvas, much like the lively personalities and warm hospitality of the Texan people. Each taco is not just a meal, but an experience, a vibrant celebration of Texan spirit wrapped in a tortilla. As our journey draws to a close, we are left with a palate that has danced to a symphony of flavors. We've embarked on an Epicurean adventure, savoring tacos that have taken us from the traditional to the innovative, each bite a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Texas. The Taco Tasting Extravaganza is not merely a gastronomic event, it is a gathering of community, an appreciation of culture, and a celebration of the joy of discovery. Each taco tells a story, each ingredient a chapter, weaving together to create a narrative that is as rich, vibrant, and diverse as Texas itself. So, why not join us on this journey? Be a part of the next Taco Tasting Extravaganza. Experience the fusion of flavors, the camaraderie, the passion, and the spirit of Texas. The Taco Tasting Extravaganza, a celebration of taste, a journey of flavors, and a story of Texas on a plate. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep celebrating the taco life.